In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money. Whether you're looking to manage your finances better or planning to achieve specific financial goals, Monarch Money can be a powerful tool to help you take control of your financial future. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the simple steps to get started. First, we need to create an account. Head over to the Monarch Money website. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and a secure password. Remember, choosing a strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure. Once you've completed these fields, click the button to create your account. You might be prompted to verify your email, so make sure to check your inbox for any confirmation links that you might need to click. Once your account is set up, the next step is to link your financial accounts. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. To do this, click on the option that says Link Accounts. Monarch Money prioritizes security, so you can rest assured that your information is protected using bank-level encryption. Follow the prompts to securely connect each of your accounts. This step is important as it allows Monarch Money to provide you with a comprehensive overview of your finances in one place. Now that your accounts are linked, let's move on to setting up budgets. Navigate to the Budgets section, where you can start adding categories that are relevant to your spending. Think of these as personalized folders where each one represents a type of spending, like groceries, entertainment, or utilities. For each category, enter the amount you plan to spend. This feature helps you track your spending habits against the plans you've set, allowing you to adjust as needed. Next, it's time to set financial goals. Go to the Goals section and tap on the option to create a goal. It might be saving for a vacation, buying a house, or just building an emergency fund. Enter the target amount you wish to save and the deadline by which you'd like to reach this goal. This feature gives you a structured path to achieve what you've set out to do, along with a visual representation of your progress. Finally, take a moment to review your dashboard. This is where you'll find an overview of your net worth, spending, and cash flow. Reviewing this dashboard regularly is crucial as it ensures your accounts are linked correctly and everything is tracking as expected. It enables you to spot trends and adjust your strategies to better meet your financial objectives. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up Monarch Money to manage your financial life better. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a habit to check in and update your account regularly. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.